Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix video not playing on your Twitter on settings. We will just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window like you see, and we go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to next window, which is go to waiting to open this is window, and we will go down to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down and we will click here on Twitter. We'll click here on Twitter. Then we come to next window. We'll click here on for stop, and you click here on OK. And you just go down. You click here on storage. Then you click here on clear cache, and you click here on clear data, and you turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.